Now report on how an MP from Gujarat is making a big difference to Varanasi after having solved problems in his own constituency, Surat. He wants to do the same for the Prime Minister's constituency.
This is the Kabir Tiraha in Varanasi, formerly a dump, but now a roundabout befitting the grandeur of its namesake. It's just one way that Varanasi has been improved ever since it became Prime Minister's constituency. But it's not Team Modi that has done this work, nor the local MLA. It is an MP all the way from Gujarat, Navsari MP C.R. Patil. Mr. Patil has made Varanasi his home since October, spending at least 2 weeks here. He's cleaned the ghats, donated boats to ferry bodies and totally overhauled the face of Jaipura, Prime Minister's adopted village. No wonder he's become a household name here.
आप लोग C.R. पाटिल को जानते हैं? कौन है वो?
केंद्रीय मंत्री.
So the story goes that MP C.R. Patil had laid these tiles, interlocking tiles in his own village in Navsari, his constituency. And he had an album of it, which he showed to the Prime Minister's office, which he showed to the Prime Minister and said, let me do the same kind of development which I did in my village in your area, that is Jaipura. When we meet C.R. Patil in Delhi, the second time MP tells us that he has already solved the problems of his own constituency and so he's helping the Prime Minister according to his wishes. Of course, the funding of such extensive work is unclear.
किसी को कुछ करना था, जैसे टॉयलेट किसी को बनाना चाहते थे, हमने कहा आप खुद बना लो. किसी को पानी का कनेक्शन करना था तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप खुद ही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके आप खुद कर लो.
अपने एमपी लैट से दे रहे पाटिल साहब?
मेरे एमपी लैट तो वहाँ चलता भी नहीं है.
उन्होंने अपने चिकली जो उनकी अडॉप्टेड विलेज है और उनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी नवसारी, जिस तरह से वहाँ काम किया है, उसके एक्सपीरियंस का, उनके अनुभव का हम लोग यहाँ लाभ ले रहे हैं जयपुर की डेवलपमेंट में.
C.R. Patil seems quite a specialist in helping his bosses out in their constituencies. In fact, he admits to NDTV he also went to Amritsar to give Arun Jaitley a hand for a while. It's all a way to spread the Gujarat way across the country. In Jaipura and in New Delhi, Sunetra Chaudhary for NDTV.